Hi, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me again. Today I'll be talking about letting go of resentment in marriage and a sweet guide to strengthening your love. Keep on watching. In marriages, sometimes we unintentionally keep score, comparing what we do with what our partner does. This can create resentment and strain your relationship. But don't worry, let's explore why this happens and discover lovely ways to release that resentment, making your marriage more joyful and fulfilling. Understanding the roots of keeping score. When you keep scores, it's usually because you feel insecure, or you struggle to communicate, or you have unmet expectations. These emotions can make you feel undervalued or entitled, but recognizing this early will help to mend your heart. Firstly, unbalanced household chores. You know how sometimes one partner feels like they are doing more chores than the other. It's natural to feel unappreciated and hurt in such situations. Secondly, financial disparities. Money matters can sometimes lead to feelings of inadequacy or entitlement, causing you to keep score. Thirdly, emotional labor imbalance. Ever feel like you're doing all the emotional work while your partner is unaware? That can hurt too. Fourthly, past grudges. Holding on to old grudges can only add to your score-keeping tendencies. Say this with me. It's time to let them go. So breathe and let every past grudges go. Finally, comparing achievements. Comparing achievements can create unhealthy competition and envy between you and your spouse, and that's not the ingredient for a sweet relationship. Keeping scores can put a strain on your marriage, but you don't have to stay stuck in that rut. By understanding why you do it and following these lovely strategies I'm about sharing with you, you can release resentment and nurture a stronger bond. Strategy number 1, as against cases of unbalanced household chores. Open communication. Talk about chores openly and honestly. You can make a plan together by sharing responsibilities fairly, and that way you will never feel burdened or unappreciated again. Strategy number 2, as against cases of financial disparities. Shared financial goals. No need to worry about who earns what. Sit down and discuss your dreams of financial goals together as a team. It's amazing how this will strengthen your bond and make you feel united. Strategy number 3, as against cases of emotional labor imbalance. Acknowledge emotional efforts. Appreciate the emotional labor you both put into your relationship. You can take turns initiating conversation and planning special moments like going on a date, going to the cinema, taking a walk in the park, cooking together, whatever, but just make sure you're planning the special moments because it helps balance the emotional connection and makes you feel cherished. Strategy number 4, as against cases of past grudges. Practice forgiveness. Forgiving each other is like a big warm hug from your heart. It helps you heal and frees you from the weight of scorekeeping, bringing you closer together. Strategy number 5, as against cases of comparing achievements. Celebrate each other's successes. Instead of comparing, celebrate. Your spouse's achievements are your joy and yours your spouse's. Supporting and encouraging each other creates a loving and respectful environment. So communicate openly, share responsibilities, set joint goals, appreciate each other's efforts, practice forgiveness, and celebrate your successes. Together you will create a loving and harmonious partnership filled with renewed love and understanding. It's time to let go of the scores and embrace the sweetness of your love. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, stay connected and love deeply. Bye-bye.